In on my worm.
Good job. Keep reeling. Sorry. Keep reeling. You're doing a good job. Keep reeling.
What? To help him?
I got
No.
Boy.
No. Reel it in.
Here, bud. You want me to help? Okay, you grab. Ready? Oh man, that fish is fighting. He's fighting.
a fish.
Yeah, here he comes. Let's keep pulling. We're gonna pull all the moss in too.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, he just gained 6 pounds. Look at her. Daddy, can you get a shot of the moss pile we're pulling? Here, come on. Oh, here, good job. Help me hold it. Boy, you got a whopper.
He's gaining weight as he comes in.
I think his reels could not. Oh, I'm sorry.
Zeke, no. Zeke, reel it in, man. Reel it in, Zeke.
I cannot believe this. This is insane.
Let him reel it the rest of the way if you can get it out of there. Let him reel it up.
Oh, yeah, there's a fish on it.
Yeah. Let him reel it up. Zeke, give it to him.
I know, stand up, Zeke. Here, there's a fish on there. Look. You see it?
Did you catch a fish?
I got it.
You got it? Okay.
Put it.
You can get him?
Good job,
yay.
man. Your first catch.
He's bigger than mine.
Yeah.
You gotta take him off the hook now. You gonna take him
I'll
off
help
the hook?
him take him off the hook.
Mommy doesn't like this part either. Yeah. And you gotta watch the fin.
Hold it. Take one.
Daddy videotapes Mommy struggling here.
It's a nice looking fish you got there, Zeke.
Huh?
It's a nice looking fish you caught there.
I got a fish. Hold it.
Daddy.
I'll hold it.
I know, bud. I'm trying here.
Okay.
I'm sorry, fish.
I saw fish.
Okay.
Okay.
Hand to him bottom side.
Hold it.
What?
Bottom side. Hand him the belly.
Hold it.
All right, Zeke. Show us your first fish. Show it to me.
Okay.
Let me see it.
Hold it.
Zeke's first fish.
No.
Okay, we gotta let him
All right, let him. He'll throw it back. He knows how.
Stand back. Yay!
Good job, Zeke.
High five.
All right, man.
High five. Oh.
Come here. Give me a bump, Zeke.
Okay. Just done it with a fish.
Woohoo!